Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a price alert on the Qiwi.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the search icon down below in the left side corner. Then you should select the whether your travel is either return, one way or so on. Then select the number of passengers, your departure and destination. Then click on the search button. And after that, you should wait till the results are loaded in and the offers. Then here you can see them, and if you want to set a price alert, just tap on this bell icon in the upper left corner and click on the set price alert, so you are going to get updates whenever the price changes by more than 5%. So now that has been set, as you can see at the top. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.